Hey guys, Happy New Year. Welcome back to the channel. I scored these 18-inch wheels for my F-150 off Marketplace and they weren't in the greatest shape. So today I'm going to show you how these wheels went from this to this and how I got about it. So let's get into it. So I want to first apologize for the secondary audio. The microphone decided to leave the chat originally in this video. So I decided to keep the video and come back and do secondary audio on top of it. Anyhow, moving on. I got these wheels, as I mentioned, and they weren't in the greatest shape. Some of them were cracked. And they were just winter wheels. So I wanted to try and clean them up a little bit. And then I noticed that the cladding was starting to come loose. And I got the idea of where or how could I pull this cladding off? And I searched the internet everywhere and couldn't find any videos of cladding being removed on these Fords. So luckily enough, one day one of the cladding covers come off, and this is what we got introduced to. So then I got an idea. So I reached out to my friends at Carcones Refinishing, who's the sponsor of today's video, and asked them what they can do. And I got to tell you that I was truly amazed when I got them back. They said they wouldn't be perfect, but on the contrary, I think they did a really good job. They've done a lot of wheels for me over the years, and I wouldn't take them to anybody else. And as you'll see later in the video, I had my 20s redone with them as well. And that's why I didn't want to run my 20s, because I had them refinished and I wanted something for the winter. Carcones offers the following services: corrosion and clear coat peel, curb rash. They will fix slightly bent wheels, powder coat finishes like what's on the black 18-inch wheels you see here, exact and exotic paint finishes along with wheel balancing. They also do OEM aluminum wheels, they do aftermarket wheels, and they do steel wheel refinishing. These are not just guys that paid me to do this video. I've been dealing with these guys for years, and I would not deal with anybody else. Links for all this is in the description. So these are my 20-inch wheels that came with the truck from the factory. When you run them all year round, they get prone to flaking because of the salt and all that. So I sent them out and had Carcones do these to them, and I think they did a phenomenal job. Gives the truck a much better look. Here's just a quick example of how they do a polish wheel. One's it's put in a two-stage drum. One's a cleaning bead, and then one's a ceramic polishing bead. And then they would clear it on top of that. Again, we'll put all the links in the description, but I just wanted to show you guys a quick snip of how they do one of the various many wheels. So we hope you enjoyed this video. We hope that it helped. Don't get rid of your old wheels. If you don't like the look of them, you can have them refinished. Got guys like Carcones who do a phenomenal job. Now, what is the cost? The cost varies on what you want done. These on average would cost about $125 a wheel. So it's a lot cheaper than going out and buying new wheels. And to me, these things look like brand new, both sets, when they came back. Absolute worth the money all day long. You can send the wheels to them with the tires on it. I think they prefer that you leave the tires off, but you could send it to them with the tires on. They'll take the tires off. When they're done, they'll put the tires back on and balance them for you and be done with them. So, guys, make sure you hit the subscribe button and give this video a like if you enjoy our content. Got a lot of guys watching, not subscribing, and we really like you to subscribe to the channel so you can get more of our content when it comes out. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you soon.